Hey guys, we're gonna be doing a prank on my sister with the blowhorn. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I set up the camera. We have a pretty good angle. So when she comes through the door, I'm gonna scare her pretty good. So I'll show you where I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be right here. So I think you guys can hear me. And as soon as she opens the door, the sound will come. I don't know if you guys understood that, but yeah. Guys, my sister said she was on the way, so it's coming up. Here we go, guys. Oh my god, that was so funny. Oh, that was so loud. So good. So guys, this concludes our first prank ever done on this channel. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. It'd be awesome if you left a like. See you guys next time. Bye.